Hello ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to my channel, Andrea Mason, who went from victim to victorious. Thank you so much, for I am your global voice and your personal accountability coach, reminding you every single second of the day you have the right, the choice, and the free will to press play. Today has been an amazing day. A lot of amazing things had occurred. Time for relaxation, time to be off grid, time to process, reset, reboot, and analyze, as well as get some rest. To take a moment and just stop, listen, learn, and love. How are you doing? Do you ever feel like you are not able to relax? Your mind is constantly thinking, whether it be in the past, the future, what's yet to come, and get confused and get mixed emotions from time to time? Well, it's happening to everyone. We are in a world of uncertainty and unexpected. We live in a society where we are not going if we're coming or going, or we don't even know what to expect, for things are happening so fast and changing from moment to moment. We are actually approaching the second week of February, and I don't know about you, but the year is already flying by. I am grateful for this time of year, for this is probably the most aha moment that had occurred to me in 2016. I was able to process, say enough is enough, and take the pen in my own hand and start writing my story. I want to share with you how you are able to do the same. You don't have to live in the past. You do not have to live out the curses or the trials and tribulations of your family, mistakes, ancestors, or lineage. You have the right to change your stars, to create your destiny, and to be able to dream and make those dreams become reality. Some key points that I find valuable is really found within. This is nothing that's new. This is nothing that's old. My mentor, Dr. Les Brown, says, make the rest of your life the best of your life. And I agree with that. I agree with that, as I am living every moment and being amazed of how far I've come, where I'm headed, and where I am right now. Sure, get at times, as any human being, frustrated. Sure, I get to the point of, am I doing the right thing? Am I exploring the right avenues? Am I investing in me? Am I taking my time? Am I connecting with the right people? Am I trusting my intuition? These are all aspects that are coming to fruition as you are shifting and enhancing your quality of life, as you are checking out to explore what is new, what is ready, and what is in store for you. Don't worry about it. It's important that you embrace the moment, trust the process, and trust your intuition, for it will never steer you wrong. If something's not right, go with it, process it, analyze it, accept it, and apply new techniques. Don't keep going towards something that's not beneficial for you. Explore every option and learn that there's more than one option available to you. Learn that you have more within than you can gain from outside. You have your tools, gifts, and talents already embedded with you. It's just a matter of bringing them to life, putting them in order, and putting them into action. Should you need guidance, want to dig deep inside and see and explore what's inside for you, your future, where you've been, to know where you're going, and starting today, I encourage you to connect with me and choose to press play. Plan life according to you. I have went from victim of abuse and bullying of every single kind to now victorious, because I rearranged my stars, I changed my channel and my perspective, and I focused on the here and now and followed my heart and not the herd nor the herd, and am living with happiness and success. Take my hand and I walk beside you and get you to the other side. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. My name is Andrea Mason, your personal accountability coach, your global voice, certified motivational speaker under the mentorship of Dr. Les Brown. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. If you've found content valuable, donate what you can. Check out my website. I got more announcements and upcoming events coming that I'd love to have you be a part of, and connect with me, and let's make your dreams become a reality. Be well.